Good morning everyone. So balik tayo dito sa aking setup. Nagbabalik. Tubig hybrid. Ayan. So same setup. Meron na tayong relay. That's a boost 50 amperes relay. Then the 30 amperes fuse going to that much more stronger relay. That is 80 amperes. Then goes to ignition coil. Actually, an ignition coil only serves as my inductor, just to absorb the heat and the amperes, the heat being consumed by the cell. Yun, going to my bullet cell. Yan. How much volts kaya ito? Tingnan natin ha. So yeah, I will switch on the ignition switch. Okay ha. Yan. On na natin. Up. The reading is only 3 volts. 3 volts. See? Okay. Mhm. 3 volts lang. You only need 3 volts. 2 volts. The cell, nakaparallel to sa 7 tubes. This one, there are 7 tubes inside. 316 grade L yung positive, and then the negative is just the ordinary. Shit eh. Malakas to. Teka, magaling natin ibang babos. Malakas, sobrang lakas. Oh shit. Wala na. Wala nang apoy. Wala na. Hindi na umaapoy yung aking igniter. Invalido igniter. Wala na. I think there's no fluid inside. No more fluid. Oh. Anyway, that's for now. Thank you.